Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about the Sea Rays 2020 400 SLX. This boat is incredible. We'll start with the back of the boat. It's got three 350s, a ton of horsepower for a 40-foot boat. It's got a huge lounger in the back, gigantic storage underneath for any toys, anything you're going to want to keep on the boat. As I move over here, we actually have a platform that drops all the way down. So it's pretty cool as far as putting your chairs out there and just hanging out. Just a nice, cool feature. As we move into the prep area, you got a sink, you got a grill, dual refrigerators. Really, really nice setup here as far as cooking food and that type of thing. Uh, Big L-shaped seating and a big table. Folds up if you're not using it. We have the Sure Shade that goes into the hardtop with the sunroof up here, so you can have full shade if you want it, or open them up if you don't. As we move to the helm area, it's a beautiful helm. Two large touchscreen Simrads. Absolutely gorgeous, neat, clean. You also have the joystick. Gets you going sideways. Gets you doing skyhook. You can point yourself at the sun, and you stay in the same place. It's great. And it also has the autopilot, which we call auto heading. We got a seat here that actually will spin around and make this a 360-degree sitting area. Very, very nice feature here. And then down below, nice cabin on a bow rider. You don't usually see it. You can sleep 4 people on this boat. And so you've got, this is a sleeping area that turns into a dinette. Full walk-in head, privacy and everything else. So nice feature. And as we move to the bow, again, very comfortable. 3 people, armrests up here, grab rails to hold yourself on, drink holders. Just a really all-around beautiful boat. So if you got any questions on it or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.